Fuel Health Daily Tribiotic is marketed as a gut health supplement that combines probiotics, prebiotics, and postbiotics to support digestion, immune function, and overall wellness. The marketing makes it sound like a complete solution for better gut health. But the real question is, what doesn't the marketing say? Now, to be fair, probiotics, prebiotics, and postbiotics are legitimate areas of research, and some formulations may benefit certain people. However, their effectiveness depends on the specific ingredients, strains, and individual health needs. What it does well: comprehensive formula. It combines probiotics, prebiotics, and postbiotics in a single supplement, convenient to take. A daily capsule or gummy is easy to incorporate into your routine. Where the hype falls apart: it's not a cure-all. No gut health supplement can guarantee better digestion, stronger immunity, or overall health for everyone. Results vary from person to person. Factors like diet, medications, and existing gut health play a major role in how well a supplement works. The specific strains matter. Not all probiotics have the same benefits, and the effectiveness depends on the strains and doses used. So, should you buy Fuel Health Daily Tribiotic? Short answer: maybe, if you're looking for general gut health support. If you're interested in a supplement that combines probiotics, prebiotics, and postbiotics, it may be worth considering. But don't expect dramatic changes without maintaining a healthy diet and lifestyle. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.